Hello everyone and welcome to Speak with Amin. Today we are going to learn 5 fantastic English expressions that will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Let's go. Expression number 1. To break a leg. Break a leg. This means good luck. We often say it to the performers before a show. Example: you have a big presentation tomorrow. Break a leg. I heard you're auditioning for the play. Break a leg. Expression number 2. To bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. This means to endure a difficult or unpleasant situation because it is unavoidable. Example: I don't want to work extra hours, but I'll have to bite the bullet to finish this project on time. The surgery will be painful, but I just have to bite the bullet. Expression number 3. To hit the road. Hit the road. This means to leave a place or start a journey. It's getting late. We should hit the road. We've got a long drive ahead. Let's hit the road early in the morning. Expression number 4. To spill the beans. To spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. Example: come on, spill the beans. What's the big surprise? Don't spill the beans about the party. It's a secret. Expression number 5. To feel under the weather. Feel under the weather. This means to feel slightly ill or unwell. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I think I'll stay home. She's been under the weather for a few days, so she's resting now. And that's our 5 expressions for today. I hope you found them useful and can start using them in your conversations.